Okay guys, today I'm gonna talk about a new product called Blue Hustle. If you ever wanted to make your own product and launch your own product on Warrior Plus, people make, a lot of money from that. So if you want to know more about this, please stay tuned. So guys, I just gonna jump, straight into this because I think this is a great course. I know that Sean Dean made this course 1 year ago, and then, it went really well for him. And now he have, upgraded his course and made it number 2. So we're gonna check the course out. This is how the course looks inside right now. And he has a welcome video over here. Then I'm gonna teach you, how to search and get the free PLR product. And then I'm gonna teach you, how to consume the PLR content and improve it. Then I'm also gonna show you how to easily find your product name. Also going to teach you how you can create a free logo for your product. So he's going to show you how to use the product and copywriting and build your own pages and landing pages. But you don't have to create a new product. As I said, you can just rebrand it as your own. So that's really great, guys. Then I'm also going to show you how you can install the best page builder, creating our thank you page. Then I'm also going to teach you how you can list your product on Warrior Plus. And step-by-step offer creation in Warrior Plus. So he's gonna teach you, how to find a product, then you can remake it, and then you can upload it on Warrior Plus and sell it yourself and make a lot of money from this. This is what the big guys doing. They make a lot of money from this. As you see here, this guy make his own product, teaching people how they can make money, and he makes money from, teaching people how to make money. And here we're going to show you, step by step how to, build a sale page. And here we're going to teach you how to download a thank you page. Very easy. I'm going to teach you, everything because he made one single video for every section. And then I'm going to show you how you can upsell and set up in Warrior Plus. And the complete system here. Here we're going to teach you, how to find and getting approved for offers. Then I'm going to show you how you can make your own review video here. So if you are, a total newbie, this is perfect for you. And then over here, he's going to teach you how you can get free traffic. So this is really great, I think, because he's going to show you how you can create a product, sell it on Warrior Plus, but then he's also going to teach you how to get free traffic so you can get, all the sales you wish to have. And I noticed that he's also going to teach you how to set up a Facebook page, and he's also going to teach you how to make Facebook ads over here. And that's really, really great because many people make, Facebook ads and they make a lot of money from that. So he's going to teach you everything about, free traffic, but also, paid traffic. And here we're going to show you, creating your Facebook ad campaign. This is really, really great, I think, because many courses, they forget about this. They only show you how you can get your own product, but they don't show you, how you can get traffic. And without traffic, it's very hard. You need traffic if this is going to work. And he's going to show you that. So I think that's so great. And here I'm also going to teach you even more about, creating your ad. And here we're going to give you bonuses. If you ever, thought about that you want to make your own product on Warrior Plus, then this is the course you really need. And I also going to give you some bonuses right now. So if you click the link down below, you're going to come to my bonus page. And I'm going to give you free bonuses and free products. So today you're really going to get that boost, guys, that you need. So the first product that I'm going to give you for free is called Enjima. And the second bonus I'm going to give you is called Free Instagram Traffic Hack. And then I'm also going to give you 4 proven insider tips for making great channel content. And I'm also going to give you this product here. And then you also get, all the bonuses that the vendors have, of course. So click the link down below, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you make your own product, I wish you all well. If you have any questions, please write down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.